Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook rice in a microwave. First, select a deep, microwave-safe dish with a lid, ensuring it's large enough to prevent boilovers. A 2-liter capacity is often ideal for 1 cup of dry rice. Next, measure your rice and water. A good starting point is 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water for fluffy white rice. Remember to rinse your rice under cold water until the water is clear. This step helps achieve a better texture. Now let's get cooking. Combine your rinsed rice and the measured water in the dish. For extra flavor, you can add a small pinch of salt and perhaps a teaspoon of butter or olive oil. Stir gently to combine. Place the lid on the dish, leaving a small vent for steam to escape. Microwave on high power for approximately 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready for the next step when the water is boiling rapidly and some of the liquid has been absorbed. After the initial high-power cooking, reduce your microwave's power setting to 50%. Continue to cook the rice for another 15 to 20 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid during this period, as the trapped steam is essential for proper cooking. Once the cooking time is complete, remove the dish from the microwave and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the rice to fully absorb any remaining moisture, resulting in perfectly cooked grains. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked microwave rice. Carefully remove the lid, being mindful of the steam. Use a fork to gently fluff the rice, separating the grains and releasing any remaining steam. This step helps to achieve a light and airy texture. Your rice is now ready to be served as a delicious accompaniment to your favorite dishes. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making meal prep a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.